Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 5. What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. Let us find. First one we will discuss what is a regular polygon. Here you see what is a regular polygon. A polygon with equal sides and equal angles is called a regular polygon. That is, here you can write here as what is a regular polygon? A polygon, a polygon, a polygon with equal sides, polygon with equal sides, equal sides and equal angles, equal angles. A polygon with equal sides and equal angles is called a regular polygon, is called a regular polygon. Right? The question is, state the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides. Here you see, you have taken a triangle with 3 sides. And angles are also same, that is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, and the sides are also same. Therefore, it is called an equilateral triangle. Number A, number 1, it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, state the name of a regular polygon of 4 sides. Here you see, there are 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. All the angles are of 90 degree. Here see, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90 and this is 90. All the angles are 90 degree and all the sides are same. Therefore, we can say it as a square. It is a square. And number 3. Here you see, state the name of the regular polygon of 6 sides. Here there are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the sides are equal. And here you see, all the angles are also equal. That is, it is 180 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree, and 120 degree. That all the angles are equal and all the sides are also equal. And it is named as 6 with 6 sides. It is known as regular hexagon. It is known as regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Right? Again we are repeating, what is a regular polygon? A polygon with equal sides and equal angles is called a regular polygon. State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides. If all the 3 sides are same and all the 3 angles are of same angle, that is 60 degree, it is an equilateral triangle. You see, all the sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree, therefore it is a square. Here you see, there are 6 sides and all the sides are same and all the angles are also equal, that is 120 degree, therefore it is known as a regular hexagon. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.